Hey, Center Delta 981.
Go ahead.
Sir, we've got a problem with one of our engines. It's actually not coming out of, it's not responding. So we'd like to declare an emergency at this time and just get clearance to descend and maintain flight level 230.
Delta 991, Roger. Just to maintain flight level 230, and you're cleared direct to LaGuardia VOR.
Okay, 230 direct LaGuardia, Delta 991.
Hey, Center, Delta 807. For a company behind us, can you just move out of the way to accommodate them?
Negative. Delta 807, contact New York approach 125.7.
125.7, Delta 807.
And Delta 991, so one engine's not working. I just need souls on board and fuel remaining in time when you get a chance.
Delta 991, stay by 1 second. Delta 991, souls on board 171, 2 hours 6 minutes of fuel.
Delta 991, Roger. And is there any fire or anything concerning other than just the engine not working? And do you want medical or fire standing by at the field?
Delta 911, at this time, it's both engines are running. It's just, it's actually staying powered up. So we're just need to diagnose for now.
Delta 991, Roger. Delta 991, just to maintain flight level 190.
Level 190, Delta 991.
And Delta 991, would you like any emergency equipment standing by, and what's your gate number, if you know it?
Bravo 28, and yes please on the equipment, Delta 991.
Would you like fire and medical, or just fire?
Just fire, Delta 991.
Roger. Delta 991, I passed all the information to the approach. You can contact New York approach now, 125.7, speed is your discretion.
125.7, thank you sir, Delta 991. Delta 991, sending out of leveling 190.
Delta 991, New York approach, vectors, you want to understand you have an engine issue, medical and emergency. You want 4 left?
Stand by.
Delta 991, heavy descent of 16,000, altimeter 3050. Delta 991, heavy descent of 16,000, altimeter 3050.
I'm sorry, 16,000 for Delta 991 heavy.
Delta 991, heavy descent of 13,000, and was 4 left going to be okay for you?
Down to 13,000, yeah, 4 left will be good, Delta 991 heavy.
Like Delta 991 heavy, expect ILS 4 left approach, and just when you get a chance, let me know the souls on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
Roger, Delta 991 heavy.
Delta 991 heavy, turn right heading 150.
Heading 150, Delta 991.
Delta 991 heavy, turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 8,000.
Heading 180 down to 8,000, Delta 991 heavy. Delta 991, I'd like to level off for a moment and get some flaps out. It may help our situation.
Delta 991 heavy, roger that at your discretion. Just continue descent when you're able.
Roger, 16,000, we'll level off here, Delta 991.
Delta 991 heavy, just tower still asking when you have a moment. Fuel remaining in pounds and souls on board.
Fuel remaining, we have an hour, 38 minutes, and souls on board 171.
Roger that. If you can convert the time remaining into fuel in pounds, that'd be helpful.
In pounds, I have 50,000 pounds at this moment.
Delta 991 heavy, when you're able, continue your descent down to 3,000 feet.
3,001 able, 991.
Delta 991 heavy, for planning purposes, just when do you think you're going to be able to start your descent?
Just a few more minutes, 991.
Delta 991 Heavy, turn right heading at 270.
Right heading 270, Delta 991 Heavy.
Delta 991 Heavy, just advise prior to starting your descent.
We'll advise Delta 991 Heavy, thank you. Delta 991, we're ready to start descending.
Roger that, Delta 991 Heavy, descend to 3,000.
3,000, Delta 991 Heavy.
Delta 991 Heavy, turn right heading 310.
Right turn heading 310, Delta 991 Heavy.
Delta 991 Heavy, turn right heading 360.
Right turn heading 360, Delta 991 Heavy.
Delta 991 Heavy, turn right heading 010, maintain 2,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS 4 left bridge.
Right heading 010, 2,000 till established, cleared ILS 4 left, approach Delta 991 Heavy.
Delta 991 Heavy, speed is your discretion, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
Tower 921, speed our discretion, Delta 991 Heavy, thanks for the help. Okay, Tower Delta 991 Heavy, for 4 left.
Delta 991 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, good evening, company Heavy Jet departure prior to you, caution Mike turbulence, emergency equipment is standing by. Wind 030 at 14, runway 4 left, clear to land.
Runway 4 left, clear to land, Delta 991 Heavy.
Delta 991 Heavy, caution Mike turbulence, stock departure, Heavy Boeing 777.
Thank you, we'll caution Delta 991 Heavy. And Tower Delta 911, everything looks normal. We can actually, looks like we can cancel the emergency this time.
Delta 991 Heavy, roger, we'll let them know you can make the left turn here at Golf, left on Alpha, the JetBlue will be waiting.
Alright, left on Golf, left on Alpha, and copy JetBlue Delta 991.